Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing stock wires with some red Phat wires from Screamin Eagle. Phat, P-H-A-T. I don't know what that's got to do with spark plug wires. Pretty hot and tempting. Spark plug wire. Pretty hard attempted tactics. Puny hearted athletic training. I don't know. Anyway, let's change these. Okay, so what's in the box? 4 cables, 2 longs, 2 shorts. Remember, don't cross the streams. Cable ties and clamps. Sticker. Cool. Some dielectric grease. Actually comes with a little packet of it. And instructions. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, it's on. All right, so I'm not changing the plugs with this. This is all pretty new. I'm just changing out the plug wires. This isn't for any more horsepower or radio frequency, EMF shielding, none of that stuff, man. It's just to add a little flair to it, a little bit of color on the black. That's it. So this will be super quick. I'll probably find a way to mess it up and make it longer, but it should be pretty quick. I'm just going to plug the wires, reroute the new ones, and plug them back up. See what it looks like. All right. Let's see how hard this is. One at a time. Take you over here with me so you can see this side. Of course, if you're watching this, you probably got one of these, and hell, you've probably done it already. But if not, there we go. Let's see if I can get this out and in without removing the tank. Oh boy. That is going to be hard to do. Or not. Now, I don't advise pulling on those boots like that. If you may reuse them. But I'm not. That one's easy. To get this one through this way. Yep. Try the same, so I want to push it through from the side for this one. This side for this one. A little dielectric grease. So I'm gonna be able to get down there. 2 wire. So I'm going to improvise here. And push this down in there. Till feel it click. Oh yeah, that went right on. Good, 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 good. Do the same thing here. Yeah, Good. All right, little on short ones here. She's down on the coil. You feel it seat. I've already got some grease on there and some grease on this end. Good. Okay, super quick plug and play. Like I said, I'm not changing out spark plugs today. They're pretty new. This is just totally cosmetic. Just want a little accent there. And there you have it. All right, everybody, that's it. As always, thanks for hanging out with me. If you made it this far into the video, I really do appreciate it. Please consider hitting that like button, maybe that subscribe button, get a small channel grow. I really do appreciate it. You guys take care. Stay safe. Let's go ride some motorcycles. Later.